In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to colorize black and white photos in GIMP, a tutorial specifically designed for beginners. So let's dive into this creative process that can transform your monochrome images into vibrant, colorful masterpieces using the open-source software, GIMP. First things first, let's get your black and white photo ready. Open GIMP on your computer and go to the File menu at the top left corner. Click on Open and navigate to the folder where your black and white photo is stored. Select your image and click Open. Your photo should now appear on the main screen looking a bit like a blank canvas, just waiting for a splash of color. Next, we'll prepare the groundwork for colorizing by adding a new layer. This step is crucial as it allows us to work non-destructively, meaning you can always make changes without altering the original image. On the right-hand side of the screen, in the Layers panel, click on the icon that looks like a piece of paper to add a new layer. A dialog box will pop up. Select Transparency for the layer fill type and hit OK. This new layer is where all your coloring will happen. Now, it's time to nail down the color application. First, choose the area of your photo that you want to colorize. You can do this using GIMP's various selection tools found on the left toolbar, like the lasso or the rectangle select tool, depending on the shape and precision you want. Once you have your area selected, head over to the Color Picker tool, also on the left toolbar, and choose the color you'd like to use. With your color selected, it's time to start painting. Ensure your new transparent layer is selected in the Layers panel. Use the Paintbrush tool to start applying the color to the section you've selected. Don't worry about going over the lines too much at this point. Precision often comes with practice. You might find it helpful to zoom in on your image for detailed sections by holding down Ctrl and scrolling your mouse wheel. Once you're satisfied with the coloring, it's time to blend it with the black and white photo. Head over to the Layers panel again, where you'll see your new colorized layer. Click on the drop-down menu that likely says Normal. Here you need to set the layer mode to either Color or Overlay. This crucial step will allow the hues to blend naturally into the underlying black and white image, giving you that authentic colorized look. You can experiment with both modes to see which works best for your photo. Color will likely keep hues vibrant, while Overlay can add a touch of depth. There you have it. A fully colorized black and white photograph crafted in GIMP. Remember, the more you practice, the more you'll refine your skills. This intuitive, non-destructive editing process not only breathes new life into your old photos, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities. Happy editing! And stay tuned for more tutorials like this.